Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Bob Plackno reporting to you from my comfy abode right here in good old Chicago, Illinois. This afternoon, approaching this evening, I would love to send a personal message to Mike Ermac. This is a personal message gone public because I went to your channel and I cannot send you a message. It's, compressed. I don't know. I don't know the jargon, all right? So I went to my P.O. box this morning, and I received a message from Mike Ermac. And the problem I have is the return address, because you sent me $15 worth of Illinois lottery winners. So you left me a little note. So I bought you $15 more worth of Illinois scratchers. So in order for you to get these scratchers, I need your personal mailing address or your mailing address, all right? So please email me at plackno1@gmail.com. Small caps, Plackno, Plachno, the number 1, at, the symbol for at. Instead of writing AT, they got this symbol, like an A with a circle around it, at gmail.com. All right. I would appreciate it if you sent me your mailing address ASAP for your benefit. Remember, I got $15 worth of scratch-offs for you, Mike Ermac. All right, Mike Ermac. Without further ado, I've got shit to do. This is Bob Plackno signing off, and as always, have a wonderful evening.